Hello guys, how have you been? My name is Nemberg Venâncio from Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. I work as a OmniScript specialist, and here we'll go to video number 4 from our projects. If you start by this video, I strongly recommend you pause it here. Take a look on the description on comments below. I will send a link with a playlist with the entire course, so you can start from the beginning. So let's go. On the last session, we create this OmniScript, with step, set error, and so on. So let's go to another step. I name the products and label choose the products. So let's create another type ahead, but this time will be inside block. So let's put a block here. How can I cannot add the products because of I had the add on step here. Call product block, and here I name okay. So we are good to go. And let's choose the option enable repeating. That way you will be able to have an array to choose more blocks. Okay. So let's build another data raptor extract in the script. OmniStudio data mapper. Studio. I did some tests before the session. It seems it's good to go. New. So here, going back. Get products. Okay. So okay. So let's give the name to extract. Name. Let's go. So we talk about products. But 2, name variable would be equal products with name like name and x achieved equal. So was set to true, should set like that. Dollar velocity, but so it must be active and I could type dot name should be type name. Okay, let's preview. Name like A. Okay, let's see what happened. Like check what happened here. I marked something. I didn't select the fields. You know, I want author, name, publication date. Let me see here. Like what I have. So you're good to go. And something else here, I had filter with active true. Let me see. I believe that I didn't activate the product. Go. X achieve equal false. Okay, so I will delete this filter for avoid entering the product and activate everything. So let's consider that all products activate, but it's something important to do. You know, I create products and didn't activate it after. So let's just consider filters and let's go. So here we have our data vector. Okay, so let's go back to OmniStudio. On the session, I want to add one radio. Group. It can be button group. I set options manual. With book, save, and another action. Save, set here as a default. I don't want label here. I think that to be okay like that. So to help the test, I move a step for the forward for we avoid to pass the step in the first step in the verification all the time because of we work basically on this one. So let's preview and take a look on data. Mhm. So as you can see, my header type, we came from this component. Give me the better than radio. Radio. So, okay. So here, now I will select the type ahead. I will add type ahead block here. GA products. Oops, this one. GA product. Here. So let's get to our data wrapper inside of our type ahead. Data mapper. So action must be, as we saw before, inside of our type ahead. But now we have two parameters to pass. Okay, our hardware type record type. Sorry, here is a filter value. Record type. It can be from our radio products. And product name. That's come from TA products. Okay. Now we need to select them from our data raptor, which is this one here. So let's go back what you have now. Hit preview. Then okay, it happened. But when I add another one, it doesn't happen now. As do you see, when I add another item here, this block we start to have an array. So you need to pass the parameters according the data structure. I delete here, then I have a single component. So megas and everything, they can deal with that. But when I add another component, then stop to work. What I should do in the right way when I pass the parameters? You should pass products in index on the array, product block, range of products. So here we have our helper type and oops, here. Not like that. Ah, okay. Here is better. TA products. So go to design and pass the correct data source. From the products, the right link, the right data is that. Give some zoom here. Do you see product block? As I have a block, I say that's slash. I don't know if the symbol is slash, something like or. So it means this symbol. This means that item from array. So each item array it represented by that one. And from products, the right link is that one. As you see, uh, here I can add the zip. So this part here represents the index of the array. And here the complete link from. Now I can hit preview. Something that you could do before that. The already with play. So preview. Let's choose a book. Something is not correct. Let's understand why. Seems okay. Type ahead key. Could be something like that. Preview. As I already used the name tag that I feel no, I understand. Here, I didn't response transformation, response JSON path. Just on this wrapper, this wants to take some path. Is the product. Opa. Okay. And now I can have name. I hope that's now it works. Here it is. Okay. Let's add a new one. This is the data transfer here. I can add another one. Now can be magazine. And as you can see, we have the array structured here. So that way we can select many products and move from the next step. For now, this video is all that I want to do with you. On next video, I will show how to validate this thing. As you noticed on the first video, it was something a little bit easier because of we didn't deal with hey. So some things we talk with hey, everything is a little bit more complex, because of we have not a map structure, we have an array structure, and not be able to understand at the beginning how many items will you have on this array is a totally dynamic. So to perform this validation, I thought and tested out-of-box solution, and I want to share with you guys. But we have more than 20 minutes. I believe that's on next session to be a nice time to do that. So see you very soon. Bye-bye.